Why me? I helped you. No, not you, the elf guy. The elf guy stole my backpack. I'm getting that shit back.
My backpack! No, I'm stuck!
Yo, come on, do you have a flashlight?
Bring the flashlight. Oh, crap.
I don't have a flashlight. Bro, I don't have a flashlight.
No, I'm Spider-Man!
Yo, I don't have a flashlight. What do you think?
I'm Spider-Man!
I don't know where's the flashlight. I don't know where's your big backpack.
I'm coming to get it. I can't though. Red light, green light.
We're at the sewers. Oh my goodness.
I'm Spider-Man!
Yeah, Spider-Man.
Bro, where the fuck are you? I'm coming down there for like the 20th time because I died again. Yo, are y'all still down there, bro? Can I get like a radio comm? We're still down here. Or something? Tell me.
I still don't have a big backpack. Phew. Guys, I don't see the robots moving, but
I'm at red light.
no, big backpack.
It's Mimic! 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 Mimic!
I'm gonna kill him, babe. Where's the mimic? I can kill him. I killed the mimic.
I'm stuck up here!
Yo, I need a backpack so I can claim the stuff for you guys. Hey, yo, bro. Bro, we're chill, bro. Stop. We're chill, bro. Stop being...
Zombie!
Bro, don't kill me.
No, zombie! Zombie! Guys,
kill me, bro.
run
I'm a
away from
normal
zombie!
person.
Phew, I'm stuck. Dang it, I'm
Yo, where's that
stuck.
elf guy? I'm trying to murk him.
No, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. I'm not a zombie.
Dog, I just want to know where the elf is. Is he still here?
Yo, I'm not
No!
I'm not an elf, I'm a YouTuber.
I'm not trying to kill you. I know who you are. Where'd the elf put his backpack? Or did he leave you guys?
Where you died?
We don't have a backpack.
Yeah, I did. I had that.
Yo, whoever got out, how do you get out? I'm stuck!
Yeah, there's no fucking backpack. I had a blue crate in there and now my backpack's gone. Are you fucking kidding me?
Yo, Brian, I'm gonna...
Okay, come on, we gotta go!
Alright, what is it?
Because the Mimic's gonna find him!
Okay, whatever.
Okay, let's just get the golden monkey.
How do y'all see in this shit?
We don't! Come to the exit, where you going? Yo, I think we're gonna leave you, bro. Oh, you're here.
Yeah.
Y'all trying to go get Mimic? You trying to go kill Mimic?
I'm trying to go get the backpacks.
Well,
Like the black and yellow.
let's say... Yeah... Phew.
Which one's the right door? I haven't played in hella. Which one's the right door?
Oh! No!
jump.
Where
No,
are you, bro? It don't take that long, bro, to jump.
Okay, come on. Okay, do you want to go get the hook or do you want to go get suitcases?
The suitcases.
Okay, come down here then.
Guys, we got our food, but we also got Chicago. Wow, I'm back.
This place.
We're just
Come on, let's go.
yep, Team Hunters.
Suitcases.
No.
Where's the
Come up here.
suitcases?
Up here. Now jump over here.
Don't hit me.
Now follow me. Dang, why you keep on hitting me? Okay, we kinda need a
Guys.
flashlight for this. We need a flashlight.
I cannot make that jump.
No.
I'm gonna come to you. Do not hit me, bro.
Well, what about you stop hitting me first?
You're gonna die.
No, I'm gonna die. Guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, bitch. Yeah, I guess I'm on the hospital. Yeah, okay, this is the end.